Nothing's more frustrating than spending time on a TikTok video and then having your draft not save. It is a common issue and it is usually easy to fix. We'll go through the top reasons this happens and what to do about them. First, let's cover the two biggest reasons a draft won't save. Check storage. TikTok drafts are saved locally on your phone. If your device is low on storage, the app cannot save the video. Go to your phone settings and check your available storage. Check your internet connection. While drafts are local, an unstable internet connection can sometimes interfere with the process. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that helps. Second, an overload cache can also cause problems with saving drafts. Let's clear it. Open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu at the top right, then select Settings and Privacy. Find and tap Free Up Space. Tap the Clear button next to Cache. This will not delete your drafts or other data. A bug in an outdated app version could be the culprit. Go to your phone's app store and search for TikTok. If an update button is available, tap it. Please take note that if you delete and reinstall the app, you will lose all your drafts. Only do this as a last resort if you have tried everything else and the drafts are not important. Keep in mind that TikTok drafts are only saved on the device you created them on. They don't transfer between devices or if you log into another account. If you have tried all the other steps, the issue may be with your specific device, and your best bet is to report the problem directly to TikTok support.